Hi, I'm Sarah Smith, a horticulturalist here at Rogers Gardens, and in this video I'm going to introduce our brand new Farmhouse Box that we are carrying here at Rogers Gardens. Farmhouse is of course the restaurant we have here on property. Maybe you haven't been here in a long time and you don't realize we have a gorgeous restaurant on property now here at Rogers Gardens. Super fantastic, very fresh fare, always a very seasonal menu, which is pretty amazing. So it's always changing, so come in, make sure you check it out, because you might like a recipe and then it might change the next month because it is very seasonal, which is a really great thing. And we have the Farmhouse Box here. So the Farmhouse Box is filled with an assortment of different herbs and veggies. It comes with this gorgeous little pamphlet inside that is filled with a bunch of different recipes, all from Chef Mead, who is the main chef here at the farmhouse, his favorite recipes. Inside they have these QR codes, and all the veggies that you're growing in here are going to be veggies in this recipe. So you can grow these at home, go out and pick your fresh produce in your garden and make a gorgeous recipe with it. There's 4 different recipes in here. Some of them are vegetarian and vegan as well. So it's really great because everybody can enjoy it. And the really great thing is when you buy this box, you actually get 25% off of the Farmhouse Enchiladas, which were actually voted Orange Coast Magazine's 2023 Dish of the Year, which is super fantastic. Then you can come down into Rogers Gardens, buy this amazing box, and get 25% off the box as well. So it's a really great thing because it goes back and forth. So maybe you come up, you buy the enchiladas, and you're like, this is fantastic, I want this box now. You can come down and buy the box and get 25% off the box as well. For those of you who have not been to the restaurant, definitely make sure you check it out the next time you're here at Rogers Gardens. Make sure you get a reservation too, because sometimes it can be very hard to get inside to the restaurant, especially around the holidays. It gets really busy. People want to come, especially when we have our Christmas lights up, and enjoy the Christmas lights and eat at the restaurant and shop as well. One of my favorite details about this box is it comes with these fantastic little slate markers. So that way you can mark all your herbs and veggies and you know what they are, because I can't tell you how many times I've planted something and then I can't remember exactly what it is, especially when it comes to different varieties. There are so many different varieties of broccoli and cabbage, and sometimes I'll plant it and I know that it's broccoli or cabbage, but I can't remember which one it was. So it's always a great thing to make sure that you mark all of your stuff so you know what it is that you have, so next year you can grow the same thing. And this box actually comes with it. This makes a super great host or hostess gift. So if you want something super unique, this is a great thing to bring in because it includes all of the herbs and veggies and the amazing recipes inside. The last thing I want to mention about the box is you can mix and match your herbs and veggies in here as well. So say you find a recipe that you really like and you want to make sure you have all the components for that. If you find a box that doesn't have exactly what you want in it, you can mix and match your herbs in there as well. So it's a really fantastic thing. Make sure you come out and check it out before they sell out. You know how it works here at Rogers. We do something really cool and then it sells out and it doesn't come back. So make sure that you're signed up for our email list, and make sure you're signed up to follow us on Instagram or Facebook so you know about all the awesome things we have going on here, because a lot of those things are temporary, just like seasonal gardening. So you want to make sure you know about it before it's too late.